back to my channel. My name is Mayowa and I'm a fashion designer, a pattern drafter and a style enthusiast. And today I'm going to be showing you how to manipulate a basic sleeve block pattern into that bougie statement sleeve that you can see right there. And if you don't know how to draft a basic sleeve block pattern and you would like to learn how, kindly click on the link in the description box down below to learn. Right here is our sleeve block, basic sleeve block from last week. Now the first thing you're going to do is to locate a point somewhere on your pattern where you want the huge volume to stop. Now this is where I want my volume to stop. Then you come to the bicep level right here and you raise it up by 1.5 inches or as you desire. Then I'll come to this part here and divide this line here and also divide this line here. So for this line, I'm dividing this line into 3 parts. It doesn't have to be equal, 3 equal parts. So I'm dividing this line here and also dividing this line here. Then I'll connect to this mark. And this right here is what your pattern should look like. Now I'm going to be cutting through this line down, down, down. But I'm not going to cut all the way through. So I'll just stop like a quarter from the end of the lines, just so I don't cut through the pattern. Now this is what it looks like cut out. So now I'm just going to place and I'll place another piece of paper under it, then spread it out. And this is what is known as the slash and spread method. So I'll just spread it out like this. Then tape down. Now this is what it looks like all spread out. I know it looks all skewed up and all, but then when you cut it out and you pleat it back, it looks like something you know. It looks like something normal. All right, so I'm going to draw a straight line to connect these 2 parts like this. Now I'm going to be extending this line up, this line in the middle. I'll just extend it up just so we can locate the center of our sleeve. Now you can see that this is where our sleeve head is. So to give our sleeve some height, we can raise it up more here. So for me, I'll just raise it up by like an extra 2 inches or 2.5, anyhow you want it. So I'll use 2 inches. Then I'll connect from here, and then from here. Now this is what your sleeve block should look like. This is what the pattern should look like. I know it looks funny right now, but then when you pleat it back, because this is where we'll be pleating back the excess. So when you pleat it back, it forms the sleeve, the statement sleeve we're trying to make. So remember to notch it right here and also here. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share with your friends. See you in my next video. Bye.